Okay, lift up. Open your eyes. They're just open.
Open your eyes, baby boy.
Oh, yes, open eyes. Open eyes. I see it, eyes. Oh, no. They're open better than that. Open your eyes. Baby boy, what is that? That's weird. The Access HDD light just came on and off. I don't know what that means. Guess what today is, Preston? Today, Grandma and Grandpa P and Aunt Carissa and Uncle Marcus and your cousins Tristan and Connor are coming out to see you. They're driving right now. They're somewhere in between Holbrook and Albuquerque. They kept us up all last night, just waking up every hour or two. Huh. Oh, good. You can cry.
That was my sister's favorite too. Friend. Yes.
Oops.
You should have accepted Fred's invitation to dine. What? For Fran's sake.
All right. Say goodbye.
I should.